Okay, today's Wednesday. Okay, ordering room service. You don't call anybody. Everything's on the pad, which is the pad's here. This pad has been on this docking station since we've gotten here. The moment you move it away, it just dies. I was just getting ready to place my order. I put everything in my cart and it just died on its own. And now I have to do the whole thing again. What the fuck? Like, seriously, how can you do this? We're famished. We're hungry people. And this is what we need. Es comida. We need to eat. And look, I'm not going to the buffet. I got Patron here. I'm gonna get hammered. And now, oh look, it came again. And now it's on. And now when I click the cart button, this is when you're gonna see I had 7 items in my cart. My cart is empty. My cart is empty. Now we gotta go back to dining and do the whole thing again. Do you understand this? So son cosas de crazy. I'm frustrated.